Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming power and connectivity. Make sure your Apple Watch Ultra 2 and iPhone are on, charged, and nearby. Once done, swipe up on the watch face to open Control Center and tap the Find Devices or Ping iPhone icon. This sends an audible ping and causes the iPhone screen to flash. You do this because Bluetooth triggers the sound quickly and reliably when devices are paired. If the phone is muted, the flash helps you locate it visually. Once the ping confirms the iPhone is nearby, use Precision Finding if your iPhone has the U1 chip and it appears on the watch. Tap Precision Finding on the watch to get on-screen distance, directional arrows, and stronger haptic cues. These guide you cartographically toward the exact spot. Walk slowly and watch for meters counting down. The watch refines location using ultra-wideband for accuracy. If audio or haptics are weak, switch on the iPhone flashlight from the watch. If you cannot locate the iPhone after these steps, escalate by using Find My on iCloud or another Apple device to enable Lost Mode and see last known location. This helps when the phone is out of Bluetooth range. Make sure Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are enabled on both devices and restart them if connections are flaky, because re-establishing pairing often restores ping functions. Finally, keep watchOS and iOS updated for reliability. Updates fix bugs and improve precision finding, which directly affects locating success.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.